The most interesting content ideas for YouTube channel. In today's digital age, YouTube has become a powerful platform for creators to showcase their talents, share their knowledge, and connect with audiences from all around the world. If you're looking to start your own YouTube channel or revamp your existing one, it's crucial to have interesting and engaging content ideas that will captivate your viewers. Here are some of the most interesting content ideas that can help you stand out on YouTube. 1. Travel vlogs. Take your audience on a journey with you as you explore different cities, countries, and cultures, showcasing your travel experiences, highlighting unique attractions, and sharing tips and recommendations can inspire and educate your viewers. 2. DIY and crafting tutorials. Whether it's home decor, fashion, or art projects, DIY and crafting tutorials are always popular on YouTube. Share your creativity, step-by-step instructions, and useful tips to help your viewers unleash their own artistic side. 3. Cooking and recipe videos. Food is a universal language, and people love watching cooking videos. Share your favorite recipes, cooking hacks, and culinary adventures. You can also explore different cuisines, dietary restrictions, and food challenges to keep your content diverse and exciting. 4. Fitness and wellness. With the growing interest in health and wellness, creating content around fitness routines, healthy recipes, and wellness tips can attract a loyal following. You can share your own fitness journey, interview experts, and address common health concerns to provide valuable information to your viewers. 5. Gaming and live streaming. The gaming industry has exploded in popularity, and many gamers have found success on YouTube. Whether you're a casual gamer or an expert, streaming your gameplay, sharing tips and tricks, and reviewing new releases can attract a dedicated audience. 6. Product reviews and unboxing. People love to see what's new and exciting in the market. Create honest and detailed reviews of products or unboxings to give your viewers an inside look at the latest gadgets, beauty products, or fashion items. 7. Educational content. YouTube is not just for entertainment, it's also a fantastic platform for learning. Whether you're passionate about science, history, technology, or any other subject, creating educational content can help you share your knowledge and engage with curious minds. 8. Comedy and sketches. Laughter is a universal language, and comedy videos are always a hit on YouTube. Whether you're a stand-up comedian or enjoy creating funny skits, bringing humor to your channel can attract a wide range of viewers. 9. Personal development and motivation. Share your personal experiences, life lessons, and motivational stories to inspire and uplift your audience. You can cover topics like goal setting, self-improvement, resilience, and overcoming challenges. 10. Behind the scenes and vlogs. Give your viewers a glimpse into your daily life, behind the scenes of your content creation process, or collaborations with other creators. This personal touch can help you connect with your audience on a deeper level. Remember, the key to a successful YouTube channel is to be authentic, consistent, and passionate about your content. Find your niche, experiment with different ideas, and engage with your viewers to create a thriving community on YouTube.